Watch this incredible moment as a massive rhinoceros hesitates, then bravely takes the plunge into the water. It's a rare and captivating sight. Rhinos are not typically seen swimming, but they can swim and even enjoy soaking to cool off. In this clip, you'll see the blend of curiosity and caution as this giant beast contemplates its next move. Rhinos are among the oldest living mammals, with ancestors dating back over 50 million years, once roaming across Asia, Europe, and Africa in large numbers. Today, only 5 species remain, including the Indian, white, black, Sumatran, and Javan rhinos. Sadly, most are critically endangered due to habitat destruction and illegal poaching for their horns. Despite their large size, rhinos are shockingly fast, reaching speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour, 31 miles per hour. Their massive horns and powerful build make them incredibly dangerous when provoked. Even lions tend to keep their distance. They have poor eyesight but make up for it with excellent hearing and smell. A charging rhino is not something anyone wants to face. Though they may look tough, rhinos are gentle giants at heart. They are herbivores and spend most of their day grazing on grass, leaves, and shrubs. Water plays a key role in their survival, not just for hydration, but also to regulate body temperature and escape skin parasites. This rare moment shows a lighter side of the rhino: cautious, playful, and curious. Let's continue to spread awareness and protect these magnificent creatures from extinction.